Hi, my name is Danielle Scudder and my lesson's on adding and subtracting polynomials. So the definition of a polynomial is an expression with several terms. And since my lesson is on adding and subtracting polynomials, an example of this would be 2x plus 5y plus 3x minus 2y. So that's an example of addition. An example of subtraction would be 3x to the third minus 5x plus 9 minus 6x to the third plus 8x minus 7. So let's start off with addition. So the first example that I showed you, plus 5y plus 3x minus 2y. So the first step is to remove all of the parentheses, which is 2x plus 5y plus 3x minus 2y. Then you have two ways you can do it. You can do it horizontally or vertically. So here's horizontally. 5x minus 2y is 3y, and then 3x plus 2x would be 5x. So that's how you do it horizontally. If you want to do it vertically, you could do 2x plus 5y, 3x minus 2y. So then you would add those 5x plus 3y. So either way, you end up with the same outcome. So subtraction is a little bit different. You're going to want to be careful on subtraction. So 3x to the third minus 5x plus 9 minus 6x to the third plus x minus 7. Okay, so remember, you want to remove all the parentheses. And in this case, if we do it horizontally, you're going to want to make sure you distribute the negative. So the negative has to go to all of these. So it would be negative 6x to the third minus 8x plus 7, because the two negatives make a positive. So then from there, you're going to combine like terms. So then you would get negative 3x to the third minus 13x plus 16. Okay, so let's try another example. Example number 3. So you have negative 3x squared plus 9xy minus 5y squared minus 4x squared plus 7xy minus 8y squared. So we're going to remove all the parentheses, so you get negative 3x squared plus 9xy minus 5y squared minus 4x squared minus 7xy plus 8y squared. And then you're going to combine your like terms. So negative, so you have an x. I like to cross out so I can remember. Negative 7x squared, xy plus 2xy, negative 5 plus 8 plus 3y squared. So that would be your final answer for this problem. If you like vertically, then you have to make sure that you add placeholders. So this is kind of a more difficult one, but we'll go over it for our fourth example. X to the third plus 5x minus 2x plus 3x minus 6 plus negative 2x squared minus 2. Okay, so if we're doing this one vertically, we go x to the third plus 5x squared minus 2x. So that's all in order. Oh, oops, And then for the second one, like it doesn't have a squared, then you're going to go x to the third, then you're going to leave this blank, plus 3x minus 6. So I just left this place blank. For the third one, you start with an x squared, so you would start right here, 2x squared plus x minus 2. So then you do the remaining, so you get 2x to the third plus 3x squared plus 2x minus 8. It's always important to remember PEMDAS because your order of operations is critical when you're solving polynomials. That's parentheses, exponents, multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. Alright, for another example, let's try negative 5x squared plus 4. So you're going to remove all the parentheses. Then you're going to combine all the like terms. So negative 2x squared, negative 3x minus 2. So that would be your ending result to find the answer to that polynomial. One last one before I'll let you guys try one yourself. 15x squared plus 12x plus 20, 9x squared plus 5. So remove all the parentheses and make sure to distribute the negative. So these both have sign changes. Going to get 6x squared plus 2x plus 15. So it's not that challenging. You just have to make sure you stay in line with, because they're really easy to mix up. So I'm gonna give you guys 30 seconds to try on your own. So let's try 3x squared plus 2x minus 7 plus 7x squared minus 4x plus 8. Give you guys 30 seconds. Alrighty. So this is how you would do it. 3x squared plus 2x minus 7 plus 7x squared minus 4x plus 8. So you just combine like terms. 10x squared minus 2x plus 1. So that would be the final answer for that one.